Hello everyone and welcome to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're going to learn how to align anything on your design in Canva. And without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. At first, we're going to open the Canva app. So first of all, we will see that there will appear a lot of Canva templates on your home page. So we're going to select whatever design we would prefer. So here I'm going to select create a design, and I'm going to choose a random. Suppose I want to create a book cover design, so I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to be looking for templates, right? So for that, we're gonna search for any template of our choice and select that. Suppose I've selected this template. Now what we have is different sort of elements right in this book cover template. What we're gonna do is learn how to align those elements wherever we want, and for that we're gonna select any of the portion from the template. We're gonna scroll and find out the position option. Choose the align option. So we're gonna scroll, and at first we're gonna select the thing we want to move, and then we're gonna scroll here. We will see that there is an option called position. We're gonna click that, and we will find an option called align after clicking position, and then you can see that we can move the object or the element wherever we want, align them however we want, just like that. Suppose I want to change this. Click on align and move it however I want, wherever I want. So that's it for today, guys. That's how you align your elements in Canva. And if this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you within 24 hours to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.